Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today I am going to share my favorite mango rice. For this you need 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of channa dal, 1/4 cup of peanuts, 2 red chilli, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of hing, 1 cup of rice, and you also need 2 cups of raw grated mango, few curry leaves and 2 green chillies finely chopped. Peel the skin of the mango. Grate the mangoes. When kadai is hot, add the oil. When oil is hot, first fry the peanuts. Now the peanuts are done, remove it from the oil and keep it separately. Now add the mustard seeds. When it splutters, add channa dal. Add the urad dal. Break the 2 red chillies. Add the red chillies. Add turmeric powder, hing, add the curry leaves, chopped green chillies, now add the grated mangoes. I used 2 medium-sized mangoes. Add half a teaspoon of salt. I already cooked the rice with salt. So according to your taste, you can adjust the salt. Saute the mango for a few minutes. One cup of rice. I cook the rice directly. The rice should be like this. It should not be sticky. Allow it to cool down the rice and mango. Now the rice is completely cooled down. Add the grated mango and mix it gently. Add the fried peanuts. And mix it gently, and you should not break the rice. Depends upon the sourness of the mango, you can adjust the rice and salt. Enjoy your mango rice with potato fry. Try this recipe, give your comments and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.